All right, here we go. Day 3, morning pages. My favorite part of the day. I didn't sleep that well, and I really was not looking forward to this morning. I don't feel like doing it. I'm not in the mood. I don't feel rested. I tried. I had energy moving through me. The tapping wasn't working. My head was just like my body was just tense all night, and that's also other reasons too, stress and things like that. But I'm here, and again, trying to separate that thing, saying your mood doesn't matter, just showing up and doing it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get started, and some of the stuff that I've been thinking about and that's been bugging me, I'm just gonna put it on the page and go on. So here we go. Start off by putting the date up top, and then I will begin. Let me get this set up a little bit. There we go. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Booyah. Boo fucking yeah. All right. As always, show you the pages, but no. 1, 2, 3. This time I even went to the bottom of the line because I read in the book the other day. It said don't skimp, and I felt like by not going to the bottom line, I was skimping a little bit. So I'm not skimping anymore. That felt really good. Those felt the best pages of the session. Even though I was talking about how I didn't sleep well and stuff like that, I was able to really write about some things that have been going on in my head, in my mind, in my body, trying to just put it all on the page and express what was happening. And I was able to write cursive a little bit better. It wasn't as bad as usual. I think I'm getting better at writing cursive. I'm holding the pen correctly. I held it correctly the whole time, which was good. Cursive also is teaching me to slow down. I've been moving at such a fast pace over the last however many years. I mean, maybe my whole adult life, actually. I mean, as a kid, it was different, but when you become an adult, you have all this stuff, people telling you what to do, and you need to succeed and this and that, and I'm really kind of letting go of all that stuff and working at my pace, even with social media. I feel anxiety by posting sometimes. I think we all do, people who maintain social media pages, but I'm letting go of the control of the fucking algorithm and not caring about that as much anymore. I mean, the people who want to stick around to this thing that I'm doing can stick around. I mean, it's just like a project involving writing and consciousness and spirituality and all this stuff connected to essentially creativity and how to unlock that. And if people are interested in that, cool. And if not, that's cool too. I mean, I don't really care anymore about a lot of things. I don't really care about much of anything. I mean, being a human's very basic. I don't want to get into this whole thing, but anyways, I'm not here for that right now. And the pages were really good today. It felt good to. I realized just to come here and talk this. It felt like today I was really talking to myself or talking to the page and putting it all down. And when you develop a relationship like that, felt really good. Felt like I had a really good conversation with a good friend who I trust and could listen. So that was day 3. Not bad. So have a great one, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.